Hi there. Lately we've been seeing new drones surfacing and new accessories coming out for those drones. A great example is last month's announcement by DJI of its new VR goggles. For those who just want something cool to play around with, or if you're good with non-brand name film equipment, the Bolt drone is a solid investment. The Bolt is built with carbon fiber and has first-person view, FPV, as its priority feature, mainly being advertised as a method of drone racing. It has 3 levels of flying, the first of which is meant to ease in beginner pilots. Level 1 is simply flying via line of sight, without using goggles or a viewing screen. Level 2 is flying while using the included screen attachable to the controller, meant to enhance the pilot's flying skills. Level 3 is flying as an expert and using the FPV goggles for a new drone experience. After simply turning on the drone and screen, the drone will automatically sync and broadcast a live HD viewing feed. Pilots can race their drones around obstacles with the included FPV goggles. Just turn on the drone, put on your goggles, and begin racing. The Bolt drone features HD 720p photo and video recording and easily swappable 1000 mAh batteries. It has a range of 100 meters high, but when connected to the FPV it'll only go up to 50 meters. You get 12 to 15 minutes of flight time and speeds of up to 30 miles per hour per fully charged battery. The drone accepts a microSD card for storing photo and video files. Your Bolt drone package includes the drone, an HD screen, FPV goggles, a controller and standard accessories. In addition, each drone comes with an 18-month limited warranty. Thanks for watching us. Bye.